Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see how agents make decision. In previous session, we saw multiple tools connected with an agent. So agent will call a tool based on the query have been asked from a user. So for a math calculation, it will call a calculator. But how it is actually handling the entire list of tools is we just append every tool list, and we have mentioned that in the tools. So calculator, web search, and unit converter. So it calls based on that. And also we have added an error handling for tool failure. So every time when our tool call have been failed, it will send or instruct a model that a tool call have been failed. So the results have been made by the LLM. Now we are into this decision making by an agent. The same tools that we are handling, calculator, unit converter, and web search. But the decision made by agent is through this call. So we are just including a decision function where if it is math, the decision have been made to a calculator. And if it is any search, then it depends on the web search. So that decision have been, instructions have been given to an agent and through this particular prompt. So LLM will be deciding this, whether the query is math or search or any conversion is happening inside. So that have been done. So let's see how it is working. So it has have been sent to root agent, and router is actually thinking and deciding which need to be called based on the query. So it is deciding who should handle this. So the decision is making through LLM. That is why I'm giving the model name. Model. So router agent decides who should handle this. So this is what here we are saying, and based on the questions, it decides which to be handled. So this respond text dot strip actually does the similar to rejects decoding, and the decision takes the message to LLM, and based on that, it is getting the answers. It is giving back the answers based on the tools that it have been decided and used. So we'll see another topic in next session. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.